Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to mute on Amazon Chime. If you're looking for a way to mute your audio during an Amazon Chime meeting, then here's how you can do it. First, go ahead and open your Amazon Chime application. From the main homepage, after logging in, go ahead and join into a meeting or schedule a meeting right away. Once you've joined in with the meeting, you'll be able to see the audio menu icon at the bottom right hand corner. Simply tap on it and you'll be able to mute sound on your Amazon Chime meeting. If you also want to mute all of your attendees on Amazon Chime, simply tap on the three dots at the top right hand corner. This will open up the interface at the bottom. Tap on meeting settings. On the next page, tap on mute all attendees. Soon after you do that, all the meeting attendees will be muted. Doing this will also mute attendees who join in the meeting from their phone or in-room conference system. That is how you can easily mute on Amazon Chime. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.